Hello everyone and welcome back to Nate the Hoof Guy. Today's video, we've got a cow with a pretty significant crack in that lateral claw, so let's get right into this trim. Now throughout the course of this video, you're going to hear all sorts of racket in the background, and those are calves. They have reached the age of weaning, meaning it's time to come off milk, and they have no problem voicing their displeasure. As far as this claw goes, though, I'm pretty sure you can see what needs to be addressed. One of the common questions I get is, how can you tell what horn is detached and what needs to come off? Well, zoomed in here tight, you're going to be able to see exactly where that separation is, and that's exactly what I'm looking for when I'm removing hoof horn. Now, if you're one of the new viewers to hoof trimming and you're wondering what exactly is this and what are you doing, this is what's known as a white line defect. What does that mean? That means a crack has formed between that outside wall of the cow's hoof and the sole of the cow's hoof, and that's allowed bacteria to get up in there, and it's caused some separation. What I'm doing here is removing that sole that has been separated in order to get this all fixed back up again and to help her along in producing a brand new sole to replace this one. You can really hear those calves pitching a fit now. The original defect in this sole has resolved itself. However, there is some separation up that outside wall that we're going to need to address. But first, we're going to finish cleaning up this sole, and we're going to get a block in that other claw. The rubber block I'm applying now is not used to protect the claw that I'm putting it on, but it's actually used to elevate the other claw, to keep it off the ground, to allow it to heal. Now that we've gotten all that loose horn taken care of, we can get a salicylic acid wrap on this, and this trim will be done. As always, guys, thanks for watching, and we will see you all on the next one.